All right. Hey there. It is me once again. Oh man, I've always been bad at introductions. Kitsune, yes. Hi. Um so it's been a little minute. Um quite a few minutes actually. Um a few things. We got good news and bad news. It's mostly bad though. So, the war is still going on and it's gotten a bit more intense. So in the last one, Command was quite happy with my performance. Um, they were quite pleased. They freed my family from the gulag. Thankfully, they're living comfortably once again. But also, since the war is ongoing, I'm still drafted. I'm not free from this nightmare. I mean, I happily serve my country is what I'm saying. Uh, so they mentioned that I have to do another mission. This might be the last one, probably, if it goes well, which it should. They said as an incentive, if I don't perform to their standard, and also if it's just a colossal blunder, which it shouldn't, there could be the possibility of crop shortages, like major crop shortages that could result in mass famine, which wouldn't be very great. Um, being sent to the gulag is bad, but being able to eat is also kind of essential. At least you're able to eat, maybe not often, but you are in the gulag. With famine happening, that's just not a thing, unfortunately. So, if I gotta get this next mission right. If I don't, everybody goes hungry. So, let me just lock in once again. The options are still nuclear.
Whoa, whoa.
Haha.
Here I come. Here I come. Oh.
And also, since they were happy with my performance, those little CVS gift cards, not the gift cards, the like the little birthday cards. Apparently they gave me one of those, but it wasn't my birthday. So I open it up and it just said good luck on the next one. And I'm like, what? What? What do you mean good luck? What are we Okay, sure. Thanks. Thanks, Command. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. So what's the next one? The next one is this one. Fly the A-19 Brawler in a demanding high-tempo close air support mission. Yeah, sure, whatever. Lock in. I read the briefing. Trust. I know exactly what to do. It's just like the simulators. It's just like the simulators. A large enemy force is preparing to seize this airport, approaching via K-92. You are to support K-92's defenders as they perform a fighting retreat. Okay. Sure. I got you. Oh, look at that. I have a wingman. Hopefully they don't have the same reputation as my last one. Hopefully they lock in. Surely. Surely, right? We're gonna get this first try. Don't worry. Wait, slow down. Hold on. Wait, why do I only have 29% fuel? What's going on? I think I'm gonna need a little bit more than that. Also, I have very little experience in this aircraft. I hardly know what I'm doing. I mean, I know exactly what I'm doing. What are you saying? Enemy troop transport spotted. Okay. We can deal with that. Everything is fine and dandy as long as I'm not getting shot at. So what do we have? What am I attacking? Enemy tanks. Okay, so what? Huh? Whoa! Already? Well, relax. Jeez, I just took off, bro. It's not that serious. Oh my god, what is happening on the map? Okay. So objective: blow up everything. Yeah. Surely. That's a lot of guys. That's a lot of enemies. That is a lot of enemies. Are we sure about this? Okay, that took out some stuff. I only took out 2 things. What? Uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, this is bad. We really couldn't send out more than 2 planes? Man, the military is... We're still this understaffed, I see. Okay. Relax. It's not that serious. Except when it is. Nope. Get that guy. Ow, ow, they're shooting at me. Bro. I think I'm flying too low to the ground. Stop! Mom said to leave me alone. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Bro, chill. Come on. Uh-oh. Failure? What do you mean failure? We only want success around here. What are you talking about? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think the plane might be cooked. Uh-oh. I think I'm gonna find a nice bush to land in. Don't tell command. They, it was, I ran out of fuel. I ran out of fuel. That's, yeah, we'll go with that story. So anyways, man, that must have been a bad dream. I just had the craziest dream that I got shot down and had to live amongst the squirrels. Like Alvin and the Chipmunks or something. You remember Alvin and the Chipmunks? I don't think like those series of movies would ever like exist today. It was really weird. Anyways, the war. Lock in. So, what happens if I just follow my wingman the whole time? Like, how will that work out for me? Will that work out for me? Oh my god, those are trees. This thing is heavy. This plane... Oh. Alright. Why is he so much faster? I don't understand. Uh-huh. Where are you going? Wait up! Slow down! Uh-huh. I think I will target this group. Yes. But I will get closer. Go, missiles. Oh my god, the windmill literally stopped like 3 of them. Are you serious? This cannot be real. I didn't even think that was possible. Their strongest defense is literally just the local power grid. I can't... This is unacceptable. I'm gonna take my anger out on these guys. You're not supposed to be shooting at me. Not cool. Bro, chill. I know I'm supposed to be, like, murdering you and all your comrades, but, like, come on. Just let me have this. Just let me have this. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Flares. Oh, those rockets did not reach their intended target. That's not good. Bro, stop. Come on. It's like not funny, man.
Another one.
Dude. Why me? What did I do? I'm just a chill guy. I'm literally just a chill guy. Oh, that's so many targets. That's so many okay. No, it's not looking good.
Another one.
Okay. Make me use up all my flares today, huh?
Another one.
Oh, did we lose? Uh-oh.
And another one.
There's so many things targeting me. Oh my god. At least I blew up a lot of things. Oh. Oh my, they won't leave me alone. Like, what did I do to you? Okay, other than the fact that I killed like 100 of your guys just like 30 seconds ago. That's besides the point. What did I do to you? Specifically you. So, I think I only have, what is it? I just have like guns left. Now what? What do we do? Did we lose the war? Is it over? Oh my god. Sure. Uh-oh. That guy's looking right at me. Guns. Eat that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, frick. I am not good at using guns in this. Be advised, PALA is attempting to set up SAMs? That's not great. Lock down the airspace. Okay, yes, command. Yes, chef. Let me just get this guy. He's been bugging me all mission. PMO, dude. PMO, dude. Oh my god. Oh, my cockpit. I need you to die now. God! 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 So what had happened was, that perk 30 I took earlier was starting to hit, and I kind of just like, all I saw was red. I just, you know, you understand. You understand. With a can of Monster thrown in as well. That was also, I took the perk 30, and then I chased it down with a Monster to really, get the maximum effect. Just because, you know, this is war, you never know when you're gonna need to be ready for, combat. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. So anyways, let's take off and not get fixated on one guy. That seems to be a a little bit of a trend of mine. Anyways, for real this time. First try. Come on. Whoa. So I'm not going to let a windmill stop like half of my arsenal to reach their target. That would be bad. Oh, we fired off shots already? Okay. Sure. gonna go after these guys. What if they get intercepted? I'll get a little closer. Yeah? Nice, nice. See, we're already doing way better. Hell yeah. Uh-oh. So, whose idea was it to send out 2 planes to fight like 400 tanks, by the way? I'm not upset, I'm just kind of like very surprised at the amount of enemies we are facing. Oh, I'm getting riddled with bullets. This isn't great. Get that guy. Yes. Screw you in particular. What? Bro, this again? We're not doing this again. Okay. Shoot. Oh god. That got intercepted. Not great. Okay. One sec! Leave me alone! Bro? Oh, come on, bro. Oh my god. How many missiles do you have? They are clearly much better prepared for this war. Oh, they stole the objective. Damn it. That's not great. Okay. You know what? I wasn't here. Never happened. They have so many missiles, this is ridiculous. Let me just get out of Dodge. My plane is already feeling messed up. How bad is it? Oh my god. It looks like I drove through the streets of Chicago. There's so many bullet holes. I'm smoking. It's bad. It's bad. Okay. I'm still alive though. That's all that matters. I don't know what happened to my wingman. He must have got slimed out. Once again, how does this keep happening? Once again, it is down to me to complete the mission. Me and one army. Holy this is a lot. You know what? Screw you in particular. Missile. Whoa. What? That's a new sound. I've never heard this. What is that? Huh? I lived. Oh my god. What was that? What was that noise? I've never heard that. Okay, the SAM sites. Yes, go take those out. Sure thing, boss. Anything to prevent the mass famine or whatever. Where are they? They're over there. Sure. What's that? Oh god. Huh? Uh-oh. I got hit with something bad. Oh no. No, watch out! Okay, so I wasn't informed in the briefing that they had their own air force. Oh wait, they did kind of capture like a mini airport and set up their own. I don't know how they set up their own forward operating base in a matter of like 5 minutes. That's actually ridiculous. I don't know what type of time they're on. That feels like cheating. That doesn't feel fair at all. I call BS on that. There's no way. What? What? Also, I probably should pay more attention in the briefings. I did kind of pass out. It was boring, man. I was in the right briefing room this time, but it was just boring. Okay, wingman. I need you to get out there and do your best. We are the best in the Air Force, even though we're like one of maybe 5 dudes in the Air Force. Surely we'll get this. Surely. It's gonna be okay. Uh-huh. Whoa. Alright. Actually, you know what? Time out for just a moment. Okay. War continues. War never changes, or whatever. Anyways. Where was I? Being shot at, apparently. Jeez, come on. What are we talking about? Whoa, that was a big boom. What was that? Oh dear, that's... What happened? That's not good. That's like not cool, bro. Not cool, dude. What happened? Oh, they're taking those guys. Okay, I won't waste my ammo then. Sure. Get that guy. Yeah. Ow. Hey, relax. Ooh. Whoa. Ow. Yeah. I probably shouldn't be flying so close to these guys. Bro. Come on. What are we doing? Also, where's my wingman? Did he die already? I think so, yeah. No? I don't see him anywhere. Nope, that's a missile. He's probably pink. Hey, relax. What is happening? It's so ridiculous. It's so unfair. They've just got unlimited missiles. Damn it, it hit the terrain. Okay. And if I fly too high, I'm just constantly being bombarded with missile. You know what? Screw this guy in particular. Stop. Screw this guy. It missed. What? That was like dead on. What are you talking about? I'm gonna run out of countermeasures. Fine, I'll target someone else. I said I'll target someone else. You can leave me alone now. Oh, that's a lot of guys. Oh my god. Bombs away. Oh. Get him. Yeah. Oh my god. Dude. 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 Holy moly. What do you expect me to do against this? There's like 100 of them. Or more. I don't even know at this point. Brother. 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 Mm-hmm. Oh my god. Ow. How bad is it? How much Chicago have I driven through this time? Quite a bit. Quite a bit. I'm not smoking. It's still bad though. Oh, I have to take out the SAM sites now. Alright, sure boss. If I even get to live another 5 minutes. So, where are they again? Over there, out there. Yes, chef. Okay, ground forces, y'all got it. It's no longer my, no longer my concern, sorry. I hear big booms. That doesn't sound great. Oh hey, that's a whole jet. I hope it's not going after me. Uh-oh. They're sending... They've got so many reinforcements. What? Uh-oh. That jet's headed right for me. Oh! Uh-oh. Wait, this is bad. It's after me. I think I'm out of flares. Get that guy. Oh! I got him! Yes! Screw you in particular. Wait, hold on. Let me just select the right weapon. Oh dear, oh dear. I don't have any flares. I'm out of flares. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Okay. Lock in. I just realized I'm getting very low on fuel. That's not very cash money. Get those guys. They all got intercepted. Are you dead ass? Oh man. So it's a convoy. Okay, I'm gonna just like get a good approach going, kind of like this, and just launch everything. Maybe not everything. Okay. Okay, that's a good amount of them. We're knocking them down. We're knocking them down. What do you mean more missiles are after me? I don't think there's anything I can do about this. That's not great. Uh-oh. Ah! No, you can't do that! We'll edit that out. Frick. I can't let my family go hungry. Me and my family and the entire neighborhood. And that neighborhood's neighborhood. Bro, this mission is tough. No wonder this war has dragged on so long. It's like... This feels like coughing baby versus hydrogen bomb levels of unfairness I'm dealing with. Like, what are we talking about? What are we talking about? See, now y'all done got me upset. I'm going to have to dispatch all of you now. Yeah, get him, wingman. Yeah. Yeah, show him who's boss. We actually run this hood. Oh, okay, you're going after them? You know what, fine. I'll go after these guys. Yeah. I swear to God, if these windmills absolutely get shot, or... Oh. Come on, go after that guy. Bro, what? This is ridiculous. How do they just have such a laser accurate aim? Oh, this again.
Doing step, bro.
Bro. Come on. Oh dear. I should probably conserve, my flares, and also my aircraft. Holy crap. How bad is it? I'm missing part of my stabilizers. Oh my god. Oh. Jeez. Boss, it ain't looking good. It ain't looking good, man. My wingman is nowhere to be found. Oh, he parachuted. I see him on the mini-map. Can we get an Uber to come pick up, bro? If he hasn't been captured already? Oh, man. Bro, I'm literally doing everything I can. I'm doing everything I can. Okay, too close. Yeah, no, that wasn't happening. Screw you in particular. Screw you in particular. And you know what? You too. Got him. I should probably return to base, if I know what's good for me. Oh, I ain't flying so good, bro. I ain't flying so good, bro. Oh. Ew. Okay, he's been taken care of. I can barely stay in the sky. Y'all are gonna have to give me a timeout, like quick little 5-minute timeout, bro. I'm tired. I need a Capri Sun. Okay. They don't believe in timeouts. Please, I just need a Capri Sun, and then I'll get back to dealing with you momentarily. Guys. Like, what are we talking about? What are we talking about? Listen, how are you even aiming at me? Yes, we have reinforcements. Please. Look at what they've done to me. It's bad. This approach is crazy. Am I even gonna be able to land like this? We'll see. The answer is yes. Because I'm just like that. Here, you know, we'll just put it in the grass. Actually, no, we won't. I'll be a gentleman about this. Enter the taxiway the wrong way. We have things being shot down. Oh my god. Okay, okay. Stand still. Okay, alright, let me just get my Capri Sun. Sure, same loadout, I guess. A little more fuel this time would be awesome. Okay, hurry, hurry. Hurry. Please hurry, they are they're tearing us to shreds. They are tearing us to shreds. Wait, can I, is it possible if I could just take out that plane? It's looking rather threatening. Is it gone? It's gone. Wait, I'm trying to, guys, I'm trying to take off. Excuse me. Excuse me. Y'all are doing way too much. Y'all are doing way too much. I know war is hell, but like, what are y'all doing? Oh, you know what? They're evacuating the CEOs and actually important people. I can't believe this. I'm gonna take out these. Screw you. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Yes, very good. They're riddling me. What's that? I don't care. Chill, bruh. Watch your jet. Is this the convoy I should be concerned about? Yes. Alrighty. Oh, okay, that was a little bit of a steep turn. Launch everything. Very good. I'm so gamer. See, everything goes so nice when I'm not constantly being shot at. Yeah, you're done. You're bozo. Oh, you're behind the hill. Oh. Okay, okay, you can stop shooting now. Okay, I took out the anti-air launchers, now what? Do I just... a cleanup operation or something? Should I conserve ammo? What are we doing? At this point, I think we just nuke the battlefield, because look at what's on my map right now. Look at how bad this is. What am I supposed to do here? Maybe I'll just go after these guys. Or something. Sure. Screw you in particular. They are capturing us. It's over. Okay. We are putting up such a valiant effort, but there are so many of them. It's not even funny. I feel like I'm playing like Balloons TD like 6 or something. Oh, damn it. Okay. We'll get him. The base defenses are going crazy. That tank is on fire. I'm gonna just assume that it's fine, and I don't have to worry about it, probably. Their casualties. Their casualty report is gonna go so crazy. Oh my god. Ow, 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 ow. Relax, 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 relax. I think, honestly, both our casualties and theirs are so heavy. Uh-huh. Yes. I want every reward, medal, Nobel Peace Prize in existence at this point. That tank's on fire, I'm not gonna worry about it. You got those. Damn. Get that guy? Yes! Okay, this one's getting too close. You're getting too close. You gotta go, buddy. I don't know if that miss is gonna reach. Oh, we got it. There's still so many left. Okay. Slow and steady wins the race. Lock in. Oh, yeah. Do all I have is guns left? Hell yeah. Oh, that's not great. I don't even know if I'll be able to take out the main tanks with this. I guess we'll see. Oh, that's where the... Okay, I see. Oh, I can! Alright. Well, if that's the case... Oh, they got bombed. Nice. It's looking good. Ow! I'm sorry, it was just a prank. Engine failure? What do you mean? It's fire? Hello? Oh god. Bro, that's not cool, man. That's like really not cool of you. See, now you owe me a Capri Sun. Oh, okay, well I guess I'll never get that Capri Sun. Do I play it safe and land again? I think we have some time to, so yes, I will. Man, fighting in war is tough work. Here, I'm just gonna put it in the grass. I can't be bothered. I need that Capri Sun, bruh. And possibly another perk 30. Let me just aura farm real quick. Oh. Oh, we won! No way! Yes! Yes, dude, yes! We don't have to go hungry, yes! I'm so goated, holy. Your boy survived the war. Hopefully no more missions after this. No more drafts. It's over. Peace has been restored.